In the last video, we covered the basic introduction of data types and the first data type int. Now I want to talk about how to convert integral value from one base to another base. Example, I have a binary number. I need to convert it into octal or hexadecimal. I have an octal. I need to convert it to hexadecimal or binary, like this. So for this base conversion, Python provides three inbuilt functions we're going to discuss in the base conversion function. Python provides the three inbuilt function: binary of, oct of, hexa. That is, bin of is can be used to convert from any other base to binary. Likewise, from any other base octa we can convert using this function, and to hexadecimal conversion this function. First, we will go to the first function, binary function. Suppose I am providing bin 15. It is the decimal value now. The corresponding binary representation will get the binary form. I will show you that one. Are you able to see? 0b is the binary conversion form, and the 15 value is 1111. Like the same thing, we can also change the octal value. Bin I'm for octa, I mentioned you in previous video, 0, capital O or small o. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Octal value also converted into as a binary one. Also hexadecimal. For this prefix we need to mention 0, capital X or small x, and 0 to 9 or A to F. This is the binary form. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. Like the same way, we can convert the get the output in the octal also, from any other base conversion. Like oct, I'm giving the decimal value 100. 0 O is octal value, and the 100 value of octa is 144. Okay. Now I am giving binary. For binary, 0, capital B or small b, ones and zeros only. Okay, like the same thing for hexadecimal. Likewise, the third function is hexadecimal. Decimal number I am giving the same thing, 100 I am giving. It is converted as hexadecimal. Now again I am giving binary 0b 1100. It is incorrect because I didn't mention as 0, I mentioned O. Now it is giving the answer. The same thing octal value. Are you clear, guys? So by using these base conversion function, bind or hex function, happily we can convert into one base to another base, and these conversion happen only for integral numbers. Are you clear, guys? And anyone asking for decimal output, what should I need to do means compulsory you didn't mention see in my previous videos, because the default output is decimal value, so we no need any function for that. Okay, thank you guys. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe this, and share to your